In this video, I will guide you how to move image in PPT slide. So for this, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and click on the picture and click on this device and select the picture which you want to insert. For example, I am selecting this one, and from this dot you can drag it and make it resize, and now you want to move it, you need to drag it and place where you want it. Whenever you see these four-side black arrow, this means the image is ready to move in PPT. This is quite simple and easy. So another way is that go to the picture format, and here you need to go to the align, and here is the align left, and another way is align center and align right. So this way you can move the image in PPT with the picture format and align method. So you can also use align top, you can also use align center and align bottom. So now I hope you understand how you can move image in PPT. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.